In this video I'm going to share with you 3 drills that will improve your forehand, and more important, it will help you to generate more topspin or massive topspin, how you want to call it, because if you want to play good tennis and if you want to play more aggressive and more consistent at the same time without doing topspin is really hard. And to stop that confusion that is, oh, he plays too flat, is not with topspin, the ball is flat. No, every ball is with topspin. If you use the semi-western grip, every ball is flat. Just some balls you are playing and going a little bit more flat here. You are following through with the ball with this angle here. And if you want higher balls, you do a little bit more. You listen more the sound, but all of them have the topspin. All of them are safe, even if it feels that you play more flat, is also consistent because you are using, it's a flat ball, but it's with topspin and it's safe because I'm using the semi-western grip. So this is the basic. I will keep saying that until I see almost everyone here following this channel with semi-western grip. I have my courses. I have now actually a new product that I just released now today. I'm gonna launch this in the evening, and because I know that most of you cannot afford my online forehand courses step by step, and that forehand courses are actually simple because it's 11 lessons is all you need. You don't need to be here looking at all the videos, 500, 700 videos, and try to see the hacks and tricks to improve your forehand. That courses are always step by step, and is all you need to transform your forehand from beginner until you are advanced, because you have 2 courses and you just need more hours then and you'll become a master. This product that I'm gonna launch today is to help you, are my favorite 5 exercises for your forehand, 5 drills to help you play better, and the exercise that I feel, okay, you need to do this every single lesson, or at least I would suggest to do every single lesson to have the best level possible. And this product, everyone in any country can afford. That is gonna be really valuable, and I hope it can reach, I don't know, 1 million players, because it's actually to help you grow your level and improve your forehand. In this lesson I want to give you 3 more exercises. Some of them I already talked. One of them is viral on my social media. What happened is that a lot of tennis coaches are copying that exercise, and some of them are doing it right, some of them are doing it wrong. I don't think is nice, but it is what it is, and I actually don't watch tennis content, but sometimes when I'm downloading the videos, especially on Instagram, uploading, I see some tennis, and I know the guy that is actually copying is actually have more followers and is using my videos 2 or 3 days after, but it's fine. So the first drill I want to mention to you is a little bit more advanced. It's not exactly for beginners, and this is actually to help you with the feeling of your forehand. So if you want to play better forehands, you need a better feeling, and if you want to improve your forehand, it's strange, but if you know how to do these retros, if you work on your feelings, on your volleys, every new feeling you get in tennis, it will help you improve your forehand itself. So what I suggest for the first drill is to do a retro with your backhand, and then change the grip and do one forehand. You do I need more balls, sorry. Yeah, so basically it's to work on your feeling. You do here one retro, and then you play and you change grips, and you always, not only you are used to change the grip from the slice grip, then to change to the forehand and play. That is going to help you to change quick the grip and understand, okay, now I already dominate the grip and I can generate more topspin. If you know how to do this and if you dominate the grip, then you can start to accelerate more and focus on playing deeper balls, more aggressive. This is really important. The second drill is with a bottle of water. Here it's supposed to be full, but it's so hot here in the Maldives that I already drank everything, but usually it's full of water, and you keep it full and you play here, okay? You open the racket, you can even hold the ball here, you do your forehand, and you keep the glass of water or the bottle of water here without dropping. So you need to play here and finish, and you cannot do this, because usually when you play tennis, you are pointing to the ball. We say point to the ball, and you do this, and then you point to the ball here. And here is all the space open, and then you end up playing facing the court too much. And when we say point to the ball, we want to say rotate your shoulders, okay? And then while you prepare your hand, your racket, the hand is here and you don't move this hand. So basically you do one, you can be on the line, one to the line, you prepare, you do the loop here, and this hand you keep it. You either point with your elbow, you do this a little bit with your hand, but the most important thing of this hand is to keep the balance, to keep the equilibrium while you play tennis, because this is really important. You cannot be balanced if you are like that, okay? And with this water, might be the perfect or not the perfect exercise, but what it helps you to remind that you need to keep this hand here, and if you move, the water is gonna fall, drop, so you know that you moved, and you need to keep it, and then play and finish, put the water here, and then do the same with the hand, okay? And then if you are a beginner, I always recommend to do here, and then you catch the racket. If you are more advanced, you do here, or at least the hand goes up a little bit, because in the studies in the university they say, and they study that when you do this action, you're gonna accelerate more the ball, you're gonna generate more power, spending less energy, and this is biomechanic. Your goal is always to do the best you can, spending less energy to last for longer and to be more efficient. So this exercise actually helps a lot. The last exercise is the one that especially one tennis coach is always copying. Yeah, it's fine, but the goal of this exercise, I created this because the goal of tennis is to do more topspin, and you do more topspin when you actually relax your hand. I don't need this water here now. So when you relax this hand, and in this moment the racket first drops because you are completely relaxed, okay, and then here of course you hold it a little bit more, you accelerate, go slow slow, and then you go, okay. And in this exercise is before you understand that, it simply is to simplify your forehand, because you learn tennis with close stance. That's why you are sitting down here and not facing to the court, because you need to be sideways. Being sideways is the first thing to learn in tennis. You always need to be sideways, and you need to learn with close stance. The same way we are in close stance, we are sitting, okay, and then the racket is on your side. Why like that and not like this? Because like this you don't have any reference on your hand, okay, and here you know that the racket should be facing here with your grip like that. And if you have Eastern grip, doing this you need to force too much your wrist, so you know that is wrong. And here you know that is semi-Western grip, you know that is relaxed, and from here you just play and you finish. And remember, it's really important to understand that here you need to have the contact point, and then you close the head of the racket. So 1, 2, 3, and you can answer the phone in the end. And this is just to simplify, to help you understand the grip. It's really important to understand the reason of the exercise and why I create this exercise. It's not just one exercise to go viral, it's actually one exercise to help you play better tennis, to help you improve your level without understanding that you are improving. Because if you do this, if you just do this exercise because it's online and maybe you are facing there and you just do this, you actually don't understand why you do that, okay? You go viral, but what is the reason? You need to understand what is the reason for this exercise, why I do this. And first is because you need to be sideways, you need to use the close stance, and you need to keep the grip. This is the first and the most important thing. Second is that every time you do this exercise, the grip is right and you limit all the other actions. So when you do here, you will feel, actually I missed this ball. First you need to drop the ball in front of you and on your side, not here behind you, because the contact point is not here, it's in front of you. And then you drop the ball, and from here you're gonna play, okay? And what you're gonna feel is that you can't miss this ball. If you have the semi-Western grip, and if you do this exercise, you understand, okay, I cannot miss this ball. Now, when you do a normal forehand, you need to find that moment and you go. And you cannot stop. You go, 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 and go. And you understand, okay, now I have the reference because I did that exercise. And now makes sense to do this exercise because you know the reason why. It's not just, oh, I saw this online, it's actually beautiful, let me try. No, you need to understand the reason. Again, I launched this product, is the link below here in the description. I hope you can afford and can join this mini series I did with my favorite 5 exercises. Are actually the exercises that work, exercise that you need to do it all the time. The most important aspects for your game, also the little bit of footwork, the contact point, the more topspin exercises that work a little bit of everything and can be applied for any level. If you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced player, is the exercise you must do every time. And again, everyone can be an advanced player if they do the right process, and if you start the right way, you just add more hours and you are advanced. It's not, for me there is no conversation about beginner, intermediate or advanced. No, you are a beginner, yes, but you are a beginner because you played less hours than someone else that is an intermediate. But if you have the right process, if you do the right methodology, my methodology at least works with that, is okay, I will be intermediate in a few hours when I get the feeling, because I have the right foundation. This is the most important thing. And yeah, let me know if you have any doubts. Let me know if you have any questions, which video you'd like the most. I'm trying to post more now while I'm here in the Maldives. I had a drop in views on YouTube when I came to the Maldives because of my location here, and also is targeting these countries around, not the same as when I was in Lithuania. But anyways, I need to focus in the positive aspects. What is good to be here? I will be here until September, so I need to take advantage of that. See the positive side. It's really beautiful to be here. If I could go home, I would go home tomorrow, but I supposed to be here until September. I'm also happy here. I just don't feel the difference now between being here or in Lithuania, because of course I like to work, I like to record videos, I like to work online. I'm comfortable at home, I'm comfortable at here, so it's not just is the dream life. No, it's exactly the same life. Just here I have the beach, in Lithuania I have the snow. Both are enjoyable, everything is nice. Just want to say that sometimes you look to this life, oh, so perfect life, so this. No, we share 5–10% of our day when we watch the sunset. Here I am lucky enough to have the time to go and watch the sunset, to go to the beach 5, 10, 20, 30 minutes. If I want, I can be 1 hour, but I'm happy because I can work actually most of my days, because I work 16, 14, 17, 18 days, the hours I want, on the things I like, and in this project that is building this community, growing to 100,000 subscribers, reaching our first million. And by the way, if you like this video and if you comment, it will help the algorithm understand, okay, this video is good and it's gonna reach more people because of that. So if you can like, and I remind you now, maybe the like, but if you can like and comment something, I would really appreciate. And also again, 85% of you are still not subscribed to this channel. So first I want to say thank you for watching, and second, if you can subscribe, would mean the world to me and to grow this community. You can support this channel. You have the link below also in the description. And for this video is everything. I hope you enjoy, and again, you have the link below in the description also for the new product I launched. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.